Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best mops for dog hair in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Best Robot Mop, Eufy Anker Robot Mop for dog hair. This is a robot vacuum cleaner that is great with dog hair. It has a quiet operation that lets it work without frightening your pet. This robot vacuum has infrared sensors that allow it to avoid obstacles and has an anti-scratch glass cover. It has a powerful suction at 1300 PA and a speed of 10.5 and can increase its suction power within 1.5 seconds whenever a greater suction is required, which ensures every area of your home is cleaned effectively and leaves no strand of pet's hair behind. Number 2. Our second best pick is O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. This is one of the best mops for dog hair. It is a spray mop, meaning you get to apply cleaning solutions as you work. It comes with refillable bottles that you can fill with your favorite cleaning solution or even water to ease your cleaning up of pet's hair. It has an ergonomic handle that ensures a tight grip and ultimate support while using. It comes with a trigger button, so to use it all you need to do is press it down, and that activates its liquid dispersing action. And its spray nozzle has a great design that ensures it disperses as much liquid as you require. Number 3. Our third best pick is O-Cedar Easywring Microfiber Spin Mop. This spin mop comes with a bucket which gives you control of how much water and moisture you use on your floor, which makes it easier to wipe and dry. The mop head is microfiber, which makes it easy to pick up pet's hair and to absorb and remove stains which leave your floors spotless. This product reduces your cleaning stress and cuts your cleaning time in half. It has an extendable mop handle which allows you to mop without suffering from backache, and that also makes it great for tall people. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Turbo Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaner. This mop gives you value for your money. It comes with so many unique features that make it a great mop for dog hair. This mop has large pivoting mop heads with 2 reusable microfiber cleaning cloths. This mop will tackle pet hair and all kinds of dirt. It comes with soft refill pads and handles, which makes it an excellent choice for cleaning walls, furniture, and floorboards. This mop has a long aluminum alloy and head which is adjustable to ensure a stress-free cleaning. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Bissell 1806 PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop. This is also a steam mop that comes with a boost brush which helps to pick up dog hair effectively and also remove tough stains. This mop comes with an amazing feature which is scent discs, which means it not only cleans your floor, it leaves your home smelling refreshing. It is a win-win. This powerhouse steamer will have your cleaning time and also give a dog hair-free, sanitized, pleasantly smelling and sparkling clean floor. It comes with a measuring cup for an easy water refill. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.